Hello guys, be here with another Halloween card with Whimsy stamps. For this one we're gonna be using this bat right here, and this one is for the Going Body clear stamp set. And then from this other set we're gonna be using this little witch right here. She is from the Halloween night clear stamp set. Then this paperback is the Hocus Pocus, and then we have the Halloween trees and grass stencil. We're also going to be using black Soot, squeeze lemonade, ripe persimmon, spice marmalade, and fossilized amber. Let's go ahead and make a card. So here I have all the papers that I'm going to be using. Here's my card base, and I have chosen a white cardstock. Then I have this piece from the Hocus Pocus and this black cardstock from my stash, and this white piece we're going to make a background with that for our card. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is just glue all these down, and then we're going to work on our background. So here I have my white piece of cardstock for my background, and for this part we're going to use the Halloween trees and grass stencil. But before we work with our stencil, we are going to be making a background with ripe persimmon, spice marmalade, squeeze lemonade, fossilized amber. We're going to be making kind of like an orange ombre sky. So I'm going to speed it through this part, and I'll see you at the end. Then for my ground, I decided to use ground espresso. Now with black Soot, I am going to start working with my stencil, and this Halloween trees and grass stencil has that grass, so I'm gonna add the grass first with the black Soot because I want to make sure that my card, it looks a little bit kind of dark and spooky, as spooky as I can with those images, because the images are super cute. And then I went ahead and did my trees, and you can see here that I'm actually using a tapping motion instead of rubbing around or dragging around my brush. And then here I'm doing with a different tree, and play around with your stencil. It doesn't have to have the roots and everything. It's just making a spooky background. I'm gonna continue to do this, and I'll see you when it's done. Then I wanted to add a little bit more darkness to my card, and with the same brush, I didn't pick up any extra ink, I just went around it. And here I have my background. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down. I am going to add my images as sentiment, and I'll show you at the end. And here's how my card turned out. I added the sentiment, a night of fright for your delight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure that you join our Facebook group to be inspired by all the projects there. I will see you next time.